I think a personal change that I have seen is that people are more aware of youth homelessness now, as well as people are more interested in finding resources and also knowing, understanding that youth voices are very important when you're trying to make change to impact a certain population, um, as well as like being able to work with a diversity type group, as well as getting to know other people and different perspectives, and sharing common interests. Um, and actually seeing how you can be a researcher, an expert, and impact the community with no type of research background, in a sense, and understanding that your experience is important and it can make change, just by sharing it. And yeah.
Yeah, so one of the big, like, tangible things is there was this man who actually didn't get a seat in our community presentation. We felt so bad because he had to stand, but he stayed for the whole presentation. And afterwards he came up, and it turns out he's a funder, and he was really interested in supporting. We have 8 recommendations that came out of our research, and one of them was to do a youth count, a homeless youth count, which is being done in cities across the country, but we haven't ever done one. And so we were recommending that we have a homeless youth count done in Richmond, and also do a needs assessment as part of that process. So just a few weeks ago, we submitted a proposal. They asked us to submit something, and we went and presented, and they are going to fund us to plan. The team will plan and implement a youth count over the next 6 months or so, I guess. Wow. And that data is very exciting. I mean, one of the biggest things we kept hearing in our research is that, and from people in the community, is that there's not enough data to support change. And so this has really helped us kind of springboard to getting more data. We're very excited about that. Yeah. And I think the other thing that really was powerful, I think, for all of us at this last presentation is that a couple of people at the state level said that they sit in meetings a lot where people talk about youth voice or community voice and how that's important, but people forget like what that really means, what that really looks like. And they said this was such a great and powerful reminder for us of what youth voice really is, and this is really going to kind of hold us to task to really put our money where our mouth is, you know, to really do something that's youth directed and really is led by youth voice. So we're excited to see where that goes too.